In the last video, I showed you these new eye sticks, or some of them. So now I'm going to show you some more. And I've already done my brows, and I've already put concealer just right under my brows. And I said in the last video, with these, you don't need concealer under wherever you're going to put this. So this is the color I want to wear on my lid today. This is the Copper Nova. And it's just a really pretty color. I mean, the name would kind of indicate it's going to be more orangey, but it's not. And remember, this is blendable. So if I just put on a little bit of that, you can see there's some bare spots, but I can blend that so that they're not any bare spots. But I want to put on more. And I'm going to put a little bit up into my crease. And it ends up being like a really pretty, like shimmery peachy color. I'll do that on the other side, obviously. Since I have to go to work later today, and I'm going out right after this, so I'm not going to do two different looks just for the video. Okay. Of course, I can't really see what I'm doing. Okay, so then the shirt that I'm wearing today has got like peachy flowers and a lot of brown leaves and things. So I'm going to use the Radiant Bronze in my crease. Now, when you're doing it like this, the line can be a little bit harsh where you stop, but that is totally blendable. And it's probably a good idea, because it dries really fast, to go ahead and blend that with your finger or a brush. You can use a brush if you want. Just go ahead and kind of blur that line a little bit before it dries. Oops, I got a little too much over there, but it's okay because it's completely blendable. And because I have hooded eyes, I'm going to go up over where my fold is in my eyes. This eye hangs down more than the other one does. So just looking straight ahead, you want to do this like that so that you can see where that fold is. Because if you do it with your eyes closed, you can't tell where that's going to be. And then I'll blend this out. And like I said in the other video, there's no fallout like there is with the powder shadows. And now this step I probably could have done first, but I'm going to put my all over, oh, not really all over, but I'm going to use my all over brush, and I'm going to use a shadow, powder shadow. I'm going to use same color I used yesterday, the crystal, this is the Candlelight. And so I'm just going to put that up here. And it also has the effect of blending the edge of the bronze. And I'm actually going to bring it down a little bit into that on top of the bronze, because I don't know if you saw the last video or not, but one thing I've learned about these eyeshadow sticks is that if you put them in the crease of your eye and you don't put some kind of powder shadow over top of it, that when you blink, it'll feel sticky. I can't explain it. And then, because my shirt has like a white background, I'm going to use the crystalline instead of the Golden Sunrise right here. Now, one other thing that I could do, I wonder if I've got time. I'm kind of in a time crunch today. And this look actually looks good with the outfit I have on. But the eye look I did in the last video, this is what I was wearing in the picture. Let me think. Oh, let me see, where's mine? I'm going to try it. I haven't done this before, so I hope this works. I'm going to take the sharp edge of this and do it as an eyeliner. Of course, I can't see. I'm going to have to bring my mirror closer. Sorry about that. My iPad ran out of space. I had to delete some stuff. So hopefully it will let me finish this. And I'm going to make it come out and be a little bit on the winged side, which is a lot easier with this than it is with a regular liner. I mean, it doesn't show up as well with the darker colors that I have on. All right. I should have quit while I was ahead on that one. But see how it did wipe off a little bit. And there is a tiny bit of fallout. And one fear that I have, and I'm going to look into this, these might dry out. So you do want to make sure that when you put the lid on it, that you snap it down real good. So that kind of didn't do very well. I always have a hard time doing the wing on this eye for some reason. Okay. So that got a little smudgy right there. But we can get that off. If I can find my eye makeup remover or something. You want to get it off as soon as you can. I mean, obviously it'll come off with eye makeup remover. I tell you what, I've got it. I don't know what I did with my eye makeup remover. Here it is. And I'm going to take a Q-tip. If I can find the Q-tips. My table is a hot mess right now. Okay, so I'm going to take a Q-tip. I'm going to get some of this eye makeup remover on it. And then I'm just going to go like this. And hopefully clean up that edge a little bit. Sorry, I can't see with the lighting. It doesn't show up as much as it would if I had on completely lighter colors, but I think that's okay. Like I said, I am not a pro at winged eyeliner in any way, shape, or form. But you can use this as an eyeliner if you want to. So that's all I'm going to show you in this video. I am going to do a selfie for the thumbnail that will show you what this looks like with the rest of my makeup on and in my outfit that I'm going to wear today. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video, and I hope that you watch the next one.